guys, we're back, and today I'm going to be playing Pancake Tower, because, yeah, I played it in the Playing With My Sister video, and I decided to make a video about it. So, my goal is to get 250. That is my goal for today, so let's just get started, see if I can get to 50. Oh, and also, I was watching my video Playing With My Sister one, like a little bit after I made it, and I'm not gonna get, whoa, holy crap, 32! Anyway, yes, I was watching it over, and I realized I made a mistake, and I said that my new schedule, because I didn't feel good about my last schedule, was 3 videos a week. It's actually 1. I don't know why I said 3, but I decided that it was gonna be 1. So, yeah, I'm sorry about that, but, yeah. So, let's try again. And I'm really sorry about the mistake, but I feel like an idiot. Yeah, so let's try again. Our goal is 50, and if we get that goal, then I'll think of a new one. Attempt 2. Come on. 40. Ooh, that was close. This game is so dumb. Okay, come on. Whoa, glitches out. Whoa. I don't know how I'm ever gonna get 50. 35, come on. Okay, maybe I should try going as fast, maybe. I can do like this. And then at the end, when it's about to fall, I can just go really fast. I think that's a pretty good idea. Who made up this game? They're just like, I think that I should make a game where you stack pancakes on top of each other. Sounds like a very interesting game that I think a lot of people will enjoy. Okay, it's gonna fall. Just do 32. Come on. Okay, and if I ever get below 30, then I will cut that part out because it's really boring. Unless it's really fun or something. I don't know. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What attempt is this? I forgot. Whoa. Bruh. Oh crap, I went back. Okay. Attempt number 4. Come on, why is it being lucky? This game obviously does not take that much to run, so how come it is being so dumb right now? Whoa. I'm getting a little bit on a high mark. Come on. 43! I hate... I'm gonna get so mad at this game really fast. Come on. Do I see something in the background? No, I don't. Well, obviously I have my screen recorded, but... This was a fail. Whoa. Actually, not doing that bad. Wow. 32! Oh crap, I just dropped my phone. No! This is bugging me. How did the pancakes cook this fast? And who ever eats this many pancakes? The most pancakes I've ever eaten is like 5. They're having like a party. So they made like a lot of pancakes. Whoa. I don't care. I need to get to 50. Come on, let's go. Deep breaths. Come on. You can do it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Oh, come on.
attempt number 938,412. Oh man, this was a fail. Fail, fail, fail. Whoa, hold up. Hold up. Go, 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 go. Ah, 36. That's up. Okay, come on. I just need 50, please. Okay, here we go. I'm so focused. No, you will not fail me this time. Or you will suffer the consequences. You hear me? You do not want to suffer my consequences. Come on, 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 come on. 44! I've been trying for so long. How long have I been trying, actually? 6 minutes. And I don't have enough space on my phone to continue. So, last attempt. Okay, everybody? Last attempt. This is it. This is our last attempt. Just calm down, Lucas. Just calm down. It's okay. You can do this. You can do this. Just believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself. Believe that you can do this. Believe that you can do this. Believe that you can do this. Believe that you can. 43. Okay, well, this is gonna have to have a part 2. I probably will make that once this video is uploaded because I don't have enough space on my phone. So, remember, readers rule. Thank you and good night. I'll see you next time on part 2.